Wowee, can you see that? It's 46 degrees on the mountain and the hives are going crazy. Wow, holy smokes. Look at that. Oh boy. They're hot or something. I'm not sure. Hope they're not swarming already on March 18th. Holy smokes. Wow. They're not even touching that pollen patty. That's so weird. But hive number 2, holy smokes. Hive number 1, it might be deceased. I don't see not one soul coming out of there. But if these guys are coming out hardcore, that's a big hive. Number 3, they're making their debut, so that's good. Wow, that is nuts. I'm gonna have to split that hive number 2 for sure. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, well, might be just splitting my hive. Ooh, so activity, lots of activity. That's good. All right, well, they're going crazy, so hopefully they have enough food. I can't even open them yet until some of the snow goes away. I'm afraid to. So I guess it's a good thing that they're out and about. We shall see. So as of now, I have lost, I've had 5 hives and I have 2 left. So it's been a rough winter. I did my best and we'll just keep going on. Alrighty, talk to you later. Bye.